Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here with another complexion video. Today I'm going to be talking about the Zara, and this is the Limitless Soft Matte Foundation. I was not planning on even purchasing this foundation. It popped up on my Instagram feed, and when I saw the price, it said $19.90. I was like, what? Then I started looking at it, and I saw they had 51 shades. So I said, you know what? I'm going to do a review on this foundation. So this is what it looks like. I got the shade C944. Now listen, and the packaging is beautiful, nice frosted glass bottle, especially for the price, feels very luxe. I don't understand the design, this leaning tower of pizza. This is almost like that Lawless foundation that had the thing. I don't get it. Anywho, so like I said, it retails for $19.90, but they get you with shipping and taxes. But who am I to talk, with the amount of expensive foundations that I've bought. So it's a light foundation, long lasting and supple. Supple, my favorite word. With a soft matte finish. Its formula, lasts 12 hours and helps control shine for a flawless look. And it said it's an alternative to your heavy-duty makeup base. It's soft matte finish. It's perfect for casual occasions or whatever your complexion needs. A little smoothening. The new Zara Beauty foundation also has oil control, makes it suitable for warm weather. It comes in 51 shades that are designed to adapt to different skin tones. They had different categories like light, tan, I think medium, medium deep, and deep. I went into the medium deep section. The website just gave me such a headache. The shades were in little dots, and even the swatches I saw, I wasn't. So from those little dots, I remember 51 of those little dots, but I went into the medium deep section. The ones that said C, I was assuming they were cool and the others were warm, but the little dots and the little swatches of the C shades looked warm. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go with a C shade. And if it's too cool, well, and then I got it, I swatched it, and it's not bad. I was right. It looks warm to me. This C944 to me looks warm. So it has a pump. So let me just swatch this and show you guys the 944, C944. Look. To me, that does not look cool. That's a nice warm shade to me. So I'm pretty happy with that. All right. So let's go ahead, and let me tell you, the shipping was so fast. I ordered it, let's say I ordered it today in the morning. I got it tomorrow. I got it the next day. I was like, what? When I saw it, and I don't even remember getting, oh, it's thick. I swatched a little bit. I didn't really pump it out. All right. So that's like, what, 2.5 pumps? So let's see. And I did not look at any reviews because I'm pretty sure reviews are up because I know I'm late. This came out a few weeks ago, right? All right, let's see what we're working with here. Zara. So yeah, this is a nice color. So I primed with my Super Goop primer. All right, let's blend it out and see. So it's supposed to be full coverage. Oh, wow. What? Girl. Okay, Zara did not come to play. Oh my goodness. That was okay. That was a flawless application. Oh my goodness. And look at this is a $19 foundation. Wow. Okay, Zara. I'm a bit shook. Not a bit, I am shook. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting this. I didn't even know Zara had, putting another pump. I don't know Zara had makeup. But when I went on the site to purchase this, because I called my store, I was hoping it would be in store. They were like, "Oh, we don't carry the makeup. You have to buy online." I saw they have a concealer. I was like, I'm not buying a concealer. I just can't. I have too many concealers that I love. So I was like, no, no concealer. But I saw they had eyeshadow palettes and stuff like that. I didn't know they did makeup. All right, let's blend this out. This is the foundation blended out. When I tell you this was a flawless application and just flawless skin, and I do like I mean, my neck is obviously going to be a lot lighter than my face as usual, but I think it's a beautiful color. It's nice and warm and pretty. All right, let's see the initial application before I go in with concealer. It's 10:17 a.m. Wow. So I'm going to go in with concealer. All right, guys. So I went in with my NYX Bear With Me Serum Concealer because this is supposed to be a matte foundation. Oh, let me tell you. This is really like such a pleasant surprise. I don't know what I would, because you hear Zara has foundation. This is so beautiful. I'm like really shocked. For $19.90. The price. I mean, what? I literally cannot find any fault in this foundation. The way it went on, just the way it looked, the ease of it, the way it feels on the skin, does not feel matte. It looked sort of matte on me initially, but I have dry skin. That's why I use this concealer, because this is more of like a moisturizing concealer. But my goodness. Wow. I mean, it's giving the big girls a run for their money. Like, you know, the big girls, the expensive foundations. All right, I'm going to finish up the rest of my face and I'll be back with more thoughts on this foundation. But for right now, girl, they did that. This is really beautiful. I'm back with the rest of my foundation on. When I tell you I am shook, I'm so, wow. Wow. Guys, and get ready to see me with this Freaky Peach on my cheek every time you see me now. I am literally obsessed with this palette. Get it. What? What? Sorry, I was interrupted. Yes. This foundation is beautiful. Wow. And you know, I come on here and I just keep it all the way real. And if I love something, I'm gonna be all, it's makeup, but what? Like I can't get over this. I cannot get over Zara made this foundation. Look at my skin, guys. I'm feeling some type of way with this foundation on. Oh my God. It's beautiful. This is so beautiful, and it's definitely a soft matte. And obviously, I think me using this concealer helped a lot, but the flawlessness of this foundation. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Like, what? I'm glad that I said, you know what, let me review this foundation. It's good. And look at me picking a beautiful shade. This C944 shade worked out perfectly. And this C, I don't know if their C maybe is not cool. This is warm. So if you're my complexion, especially if you don't have like the light neck and you're just a proper NC50, that's my general foundation reference, get that shade. Anywho, let me stop all this rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and go through my day. I have a busy day. I'm going food shopping right now. Ugh, I hate food shopping. And I'll be back. But for right now, I have to give it my little clip. I love it. So good. Oh! My skin does look supple. Alright guys, I'll see you later for my final thoughts. Alright guys, I'm back for my final check-in. It's now 6:21 p.m. So I put this on a little after 10. So it's been 8 hours since I've had this foundation on, and it still looks beautiful, guys. This little $19.90 foundation. Wow. Who knew, right? That Zara would make such a beautiful foundation. This is a beautiful foundation, guys. And if you're here for the first time, when I do a foundation wear test, I do not touch up. Just how the foundation wear, I like to come back. And this is so pretty. I don't see any... There's no creasing in my laugh line. My laugh line is my trouble area. Nope. There's no creasing. I'm a little shiny on my nose, but that could be highlighter. A little bit of shine here. Maybe a little bit on my forehead area. It's definitely a nice, soft, matte foundation. Very comfortable. It feels like there's nothing on your skin. I don't feel like I have to rush. Like I want to take my makeup off. This is really, really pretty, nice and soft. They did a great job with this foundation. It's super pretty. Now I'm curious about the concealer, but I'm going to slow my roll. This is gorgeous, guys. And this shade, my eyes. This, the hell is this shade's name? I think it's on the box. I think it's C944. C944 turned out to be a nice warm shade. I'm so happy I picked up this shade, guys. So overall, I think it matched all the claims. I mean, obviously I didn't wear it for 8 hours. Why is this little strand sticking out? I didn't wear it for 8 hours, but yeah. I think 8 hours says everything, and I was out and about today. I was in the kitchen cooking and stuff, and I think it held up very nicely. Looks super pretty. And especially Zara. You know, like, it's a clothing store, for God's sakes. And they have foundation now. This is a hit for me. This is definitely 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend it. Very, very, very pleasant surprise. And surprisingly, it stands up nicely. Even with this little tilt. Look. I'm going to put it where the camera can get it. See? So, as long as it stands up. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.